Genotype is a specific combination of alleles present in an individual. Homozygous means we have two copies of the same allele, and heterozygous, two different alleles of the same gene. So this is an example of it. This example, it talks about the gene BDNF, which is one of my favorite genes, and brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Depending on what your BDNF is, will tell me how well you will recover from a brain injury. And in this case, homozygous is actually good because most of the time we think heterozygous is better. But this time, homozygous is good because you have normal activity. Your brain, its gene for BDNF, is able to function normally and create normal levels versus heterozygous, it is decreased. You're going to find that we may have learned all this in school, but when it comes to genetics and how we use it and how we use that knowledge, it's not always what we were taught. We have to be open to how the gene is presenting itself. So let's talk about phenotype. What is phenotype? Phenotype is a characteristic in which you see observable effects of the genotype in conjunction with their environment. So let's just say the gene is the blueprint, or the design of a dress or a house, and the house or the dress is a manifestation of the phenotype. So in many cases, multiple genes can contribute to a single characteristic or trait. And we will see that in some of the genes in genetic testing pertinent to psychiatric care. We also have to think about environmental factors. This is a study called epigenetics. An example of it is skin cancer. UV rays activate the skin cancer gene. What it does, it stops the growth of the skin cancer. So you may have a normal gene, or let's just say it is a normal gene to make skin cells. But when you tack on environmental factors such as an UV rays, it's going to throw that phenotype out of whack.